of Gorgonzola begins here, with the milking of healthy cows.
Once harvested, the milk is transported to the facility, ready for the next step. Inside the facility, the next stage cheese-making process begins.
The milk is carefully unloaded and moved to the storage tanks for the next stage of processing.
The milk is then stored in refrigerated tanks, where it is prepared for pasteurization. Pasteurization ensures the milk is safe, making it ready for the delicate cheese-making process.
Starter cultures are added, starting the fermentation process that is crucial for the cheese's flavor.
As the curds form, the magic of Gorgonzola begins to take shape. Step in the Gorgonzola process.
With the whey separated, the curds are ready to be pressed and prepared for aging.
Onto trucks for transport to the next stage of the process.
Final transformation into Gorgonzola begins.
Upon arrival, the curds are unloaded and transported into the aging chambers, where they will develop their signature flavor. Cleaning the production line ensures the facility remains sterile and ready for the next stage of cheese transformation. The cheese is carefully molded into units, ensuring consistency across each batch.
The cheese is gently pressed, helping to remove excess moisture and solidify its structure.
The cheese is pressed again to remove any excess moisture, refining its texture and consistency. The molded cheese is carefully removed from its casing, ready to move to the next phase.
The signature blue veins are carefully cultivated with mold culture, giving Gorgonzola its distinctive appearance and taste.
Temperature and humidity are carefully monitored to ensure the curds age to perfection.
Each cheese undergoes a final inspection, ensuring it meets the highest standards before entering the final aging phase.
The cheese is allowed to rest, giving the salt while it awaits the next step in the aging process. As the curds begin to age, they start to develop their characteristic texture and flavor, laying the groundwork for the final cheese. To ensure even aging, the curds are flipped regularly, allowing the mold to develop consistently. Salt is added to enhance the flavor and control the aging process, further defining Gorgonzola's taste.
Regular inspections ensure that the blue mold grows evenly, essential to the cheese's distinctive character. To ensure even aging, each wheel is rotated regularly, helping the cheese mature evenly on all sides. The curds remain in the aging room for weeks, slowly transforming into the rich, flavorful Gorgonzola we know. Each batch is meticulously logged and tracked to ensure that it meets the highest standards. These aging perfect conditions for the cheese to mature, developing its flavor and texture.
The cheese is stored in ideal conditions, where it will continue to develop over time, deepening its rich flavor. The cheese is rotated regularly, allowing it to age evenly, developing its flavor and texture from all sides.
Each wheel of Gorgonzola is meticulously checked and labeled, ensuring quality control before the final stage.
Regular checks on temperature and humidity ensure that the cheese ages properly and reaches its peak flavor. Each cheese is weighed to ensure it meets the required specifications for consistency and quality. Regular inspections ensure that the blue mold grows evenly, essential to the cheese's distinctive character.
Taste tests are conducted to ensure the cheese has the perfect flavor, with each batch sorted accordingly.
A panel of experts assesses the flavor, ensuring the Gorgonzola meets the perfect balance of creaminess, sharpness, and salt.
pH and moisture levels are carefully monitored, ensuring the cheese has the right balance for perfect flavor and texture.
Once all tests are completed,
The results are documented, and the cheese is approved for the next stage in the process.
Laser-guided systems perform a final quality control check, ensuring every cheese meets the highest standards.
Advanced scanners auto-check for any defects, ensuring that only the highest quality cheese moves forward.
Automated wrapping machines ensure that each cheese is securely sealed for freshness and protection during transportation.
The mold is closely examined to ensure even distribution, which is critical for Gorgonzola's distinctive blue veins. Once sealed, each cheese is labeled with its product information, batch number, and expiration date.
The cheese is sorted according to its quality.
Each package is inspected to ensure the highest standards are met before shipment.
A final system check ensures everything is correct before the cheese is ready for dispatch. An automated inventory system keeps real-time track of every batch, ensuring smooth operations and timely shipments.
The cheeses are sealed in custom packaging, ready for distribution, while maintaining their premium quality.
The final packaging ensures that each nation maintaining its premium quality.
The automated system efficiently transports the cheese to storage, awaiting shipment to markets and retailers.
A robotic palletizing system ensures that each box is stacked safely and efficiently, ready for shipment.
The cheese is shrink-wrapped to protect it during transport and to maintain freshness. The final packages are stacked onto pallets, making them ready for shipment and transport. The final inventory check ensures that all products are accounted for, preparing them for shipment.
In a temperature-controlled environment, the cheese remains in optimal condition until it's ready for shipment.
Packaged cheese is stored in temperature-controlled rooms, preserving its quality until ready for shipment.
Packages are sorted and organized by their final destination, ensuring once palletized, the cheese is moved to a climate-controlled storage area, ready for dispatch to markets and retailers.
Secure, climate-controlled warehouse, the Gorgonzola awaits shipment to markets and retailers.
Once sorted, the cheeses are loaded onto trucks for delivery to retailers and customers.
Once the final checks are complete, the cheese is loaded and ready to be dispatched, making its journey to the world. Once everything is packed, the cheese is loaded into trucks for
The Gorgonzola cheese is now ready for
final delivery, ensuring it reaches customers in perfect condition.
ensuring it reaches stores and homes in perfect condition. The Gorgonzola cheeses are now ready for dispatch, traveling world homes and restaurants.
Each shipment is sealed for security and dispatched, ensuring safe and timely delivery to its final destination.
The Gorgonzola cheese begins its journey, ready to be enjoyed by customers around the world.
Once the cheese arrives at its destination, delivery confirmations are logged to ensure the product reaches the retailer on time.
A real-time tracking system ensures that each shipment is monitored, keeping customers informed of their deliveries.
The consumer selects their cheese, ready to take it home and enjoy its rich, creamy flavor.
Once delivered, the Gorgonzola is carefully displayed, ready to be purchased and enjoyed by cheese lovers.
The audio features the soft sounds of movement and handling as items are placed on shelves, suggesting a retail environment.